Hey everyone! The Fitbit Air represents a very different direction for wearable technology. Instead of trying to replace a smartphone or compete directly with full-featured smartwatches, Google designed this tiny, screenless tracker for people who simply want lightweight health monitoring without constant distractions on their wrist. In many ways, it feels like a return to the original Fitbit philosophy, but updated with modern sensors, AI-powered health insights, and tighter integration with Google's ecosystem. One of the biggest strengths of the Fitbit Air is its incredibly compact design. At just 12 grams with the band attached, it is almost unnoticeable during daily wear. The pebble-like body is small enough to disappear under sleeves, making it far more comfortable for sleep tracking than most smartwatches. The use of recyclable materials also gives the device a cleaner and more modern identity, while the 50-meter water resistance means users can comfortably wear it during workouts, showers, or swimming sessions. Despite its tiny size, Google managed to pack in an impressive selection of sensors. Continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, temperature sensing, heart rate variability, and sleep stage analysis all make the Fitbit Air feel much more advanced than a basic fitness band. The inclusion of atrial fibrillation alerts is especially important because features like this are usually reserved for more expensive wearables. Combined with Google Health Coach, the tracker focuses less on notifications and more on long-term wellness and recovery. Battery life is another major advantage. The Fitbit Air can last up to 7 days on a charge, which immediately solves one of the biggest frustrations people have with modern smartwatches. The fast charging support is equally useful, since just a few minutes plugged in can provide enough power for an entire day. For users who dislike charging devices every night, this alone could make the Fitbit Air more appealing than many premium smartwatches. The device works best as part of Google's larger ecosystem. Paired with the Google Health app, it delivers detailed health insights and workout tracking, while keeping the hardware itself simple and distraction-free. Google is also positioning it as a companion device for the Google Pixel Watch, allowing users to wear the Pixel Watch during the day and switch to the lighter Fitbit Air at night for sleep tracking and recovery monitoring. At $99, the Fitbit Air enters the market as an affordable, health-focused wearable rather than a smartwatch alternative. It will likely appeal to users who want accurate wellness tracking without bulky hardware, large displays, or constant notifications. While some people may miss having a screen for quick interactions, others will appreciate the simplicity. The Fitbit Air proves that wearable technology does not always need larger displays or more complicated features to feel useful. Still, that minimalist philosophy is exactly what makes the Fitbit Air so compelling. In a market crowded with oversized smartwatches trying to do everything, Google has created a wearable that intentionally does less, but does it extremely well. The Fitbit Air focuses on comfort, health tracking, long battery life, and simplicity, rather than trying to overwhelm users with features they may rarely use. For people who want continuous wellness tracking without the distractions and bulk of a traditional smartwatch, the Fitbit Air could easily become one of the most appealing wearable releases of the year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.